The new Faxination 2016 is a digital business platform, empowering the modern enterprise with advanced document handling features. This reimagining of the Faxination software, combined with our traditional roles of fax and mobile messaging, creates a complete solution that we refer to as 360 Capture. Faxination 2016 allows you to digitize physical documents, complete with optical character recognition, and store those documents securely in any database or document management system. Of course, you can still send and receive fax and mobile messages, but now you can also route documents between systems, including systems that don't have a common interface. You can initiate business workflows, especially in applications such as Microsoft SharePoint and SAP. You can create custom document archives, such as documents related to specific customers, vendors, or projects. Faxination 2016 can help you meet the legal and regulatory requirements in your industry. This is especially important for healthcare organizations, pharmaceutical companies, and the banking industry, where audits may require detailed transaction logs and message accountability. 360 Capture is really a whole new way of thinking about how Faxination can help streamline your business processes, secure your data, and help you meet your IT goals in the modern digital age. Let's look at a few real-world examples. Scenario 1. A medical supply manufacturer has a legacy Unix-based order entry system that can only export documents by printing to a network printer. This data is needed to initiate an SAP workflow, but it's currently a manual task that's prone to delays and creates the potential for human error. The Faxination solution? We'll configure our universal output connector to intercept the jobs going to the printer, apply document conversion and optical character recognition, and then pass those jobs directly to SAP using our certified SAP connector. This workflow is triggered automatically whenever a new print job is detected and no human intervention is required. In fact, since we're not actually printing the document, there's no requirement for a physical printer. Just install a standard printer driver, let Windows spool the print data, and our universal output connector will handle the rest. Scenario 2. A mortgage company needs to meet regulatory requirements by digitizing physical documents and storing them in multiple SharePoint document libraries, including metadata for indexing and searching. Any manual scanning and uploading approach is impractical due to the large volume of documents involved. In Faxination 2016, our new MFP connector can route scanned documents directly to any supported Faxination host, including Microsoft SharePoint. The connector can monitor multiple MFP scan destinations, UNC paths, and associate each destination with a unique SharePoint URL and metadata configuration. The number of unique SharePoint destination configurations that you can have is limited only by the MFP device itself and will vary from one manufacturer to another. Faxination 2016 turns a complex and time-consuming operation into one that is both straightforward and efficient. All you need to do is load the document feeder. Scenario 3. A large pharmaceutical company has the requirement to route email file attachments from a specific Office 365 mailbox into an existing document management system. The attachments can be manually saved from Outlook to a UNC path that is monitored by the document management system, but this is time-consuming and inconsistent. New for Faxination 2016, our Mailbox connector can be configured to monitor one or more folders in an Exchange or Office 365 mailbox, typically a service account mailbox. When a new email is detected that includes one or more file attachments, those files can be routed to any supported Faxination host, including our inbound directory connector. The mailbox folders to be monitored are typically subfolders below the inbox, which receive new email messages through Exchange-based filtering rules. Each monitored subfolder can have its own unique routing configuration, and there is no limit to the number of subfolders that can be monitored. This means that only a single mailbox account is required for this feature, which is especially important in hosted email environments such as Office 365. And finally, a car rental company receives documents from its pickup locations via email file attachments. These documents need to be consolidated into their proprietary EMS system. The system cannot process email file attachments directly, but it does have a configurable web service interface. The Faxination 2016 SMTP stack can interface with any industry-standard email server or application. In this case, email messages with file attachments are forwarded to Faxination with an email domain indicating the web service connector host and a system address which is matched to the listening EMS web service. Both client and server sample code is provided with the Faxination web service connector, which is based on Microsoft's .NET framework and the Windows Communication Foundation, with no custom APIs or DLLs required. There's also an alternative REST interface available, with either solution effectively turning Faxination 2016 into a highly flexible and configurable development platform. For over 25 years, some of the world's largest organizations have relied on Faxination for their mission-critical, unified messaging and communication needs. Now, with our new 360 capture technology, Faxination 2016 has evolved into a true digital business platform, empowering the modern enterprise with efficient digital document acquisition and handling and fully customizable business workflows. Faxination's native host connectors can provide interoperability between disparate systems, add value to your multifunctional peripheral devices, and help you meet the legal and regulatory requirements of your industry, with detailed transaction logs and message accountability. Faxination 2016 is available now. For more information or to request a free demo, visit us on the web at faxination.com. Thanks for watching.